Hello my friends, my name is Maron Kesuma. My student number 1905002. I want to present English Technical 2 Meeting 12 Service Manual in Fuel System. Fuel System 12 2 Description. The 172 and 72Q series airplanes are equipped with either a standard fuel system, an optional long-range fuel system, or beginning with serials 1 7 2 7 4 0 1 0 F1 7 2 0 2 0 7 0 and 1 7 2 7 5 8 6 9 7 2 7 172Q and optional extended range with wing system. Precautions. Observe the following general precautions and rules during fueling. Defueling tank or integral fuel by purging, repairing, assembly, or disassembly of system components, and electrical system checks and repairs on the airplane fuel system. Fuel tanks. Description: a rigged metal tank is installed in the inboard panel of each wing. Some range valves, one in each tank, are provided for draining trapped water and sediment. Removal and installation. A. Removal some drain valve and drain fuel from applicable tank. B. Remove fuel tank cover by removing attaching screws. C. Removing wing rod fairings. D. Disconnect and plug or cap all fuel and fan lines from tank. Remove fitting as necessary for clearance when removing tank. A. Disconnect electrical lead and ground strap from fuel equity transmitter. F. Disconnect strip securing fuel tank and remove tank UC car to avoid damage to producing fittings and hose connectings when removing the tanks. G. To install tank, reverse the preceding steps. Fuel quantity transmitters. Fuel quantity transmitters are installed in the top of fuel tanks. A complete description along with procedure for removal fuel fans. Description: A. Fan line is installed in the outboard end of the left fuel tank and extends overboard down through the lower wing skin the inboard of the fan line extends into the fuel tanks, then forward and slightly upward. Checking if stopped off either the fuel fan or fan blade holes occurs. With the engine running, it can lose power and eventually stop due to fuel starvation. Fuel selector valve description: a 4-position fuel selector valve is located beneath the floorboard just off and sealing slightly to the left of the pedestal structure. A ship links the valve to a handle mounted on the pedestal structure. Removal and installation. See figure 12.2. A drain all fuel from wing tanks, fuel strainer lines, and selector valve. B. Remove selector valve handle 11 and pedals cover. C. Peel back carpet as required to gain access to inspection place of pedestal structure. D. Disconnect lower universal joint 14 at valve shift. E. Disconnect and cap inlet and outlet fuel lines to valve. F. Remove screw 21 attaching valve to mounting brackets 13 and windward valve. G. Reverse preceding steps for installation. Service aircraft in accordance with section 2. Turn fuel selector valve to on position and check for leaks. He replace items removed for access. Fuel strainer description: the fuel strainer is mounted at the firewall in the lower engine compartment. The strainer is equipped with a quick drain valve which provides a means of draining trapped water and sediment from the fuel system. Note: the fuel strainer can be disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled without removing the assembly from the aircraft. Priming system 12.23 description: the model 172 series airplanes employ a standard manual operated priming system with primes 1 cylinder. Fuel is supplied by a line from the strainer to the plunger type primer. Note: removal of primer from instrument panel requires disassembly of primer. Auxiliary electric fuel pump description: the electric fuel pump is located under the floorboards and the air high side of the cabin. It is plumbed into the fuel system parallel with the engine-driven fuel pump. The auxiliary electrical fuel pump may be used as a standby in case of engine-driven fuel pump failure. Sealing during and after structural repair. Any repair that breaks the fuel by seal will necessitate resealing of the area of the bay. Repair parts parts that need sealing must be installed and refit during the sealing operation. Sealing fuel leaks. First, determine the source of the fuel leaks. Fuel can flow along a seam or the structure of the wing for several inches, making the leak source difficult to find. A stained area is an indication of the leak source. Inspection, cleaning and repair. Remove right hand fuel filler cam from the adapter assembly. B. Disconnect the safety cam from the cap and cover or plug the tank opening to cap or flowing matter. C. Check condition of gasket and frictionless washer. Replace as required. D. Using certain swabs and stop dart solvent or equivalent. Gently lift edge of rubber umbrella and clean seat and umbrella, removing all contaminants. Using a second swab wiper, seat and umbrella thoroughly, removing all cotton fibs. Repeat until swabs show no discoloration. If the umbrella continues to leak or is deteriorated, remove and replace. F. Connect fuel cap to safety chain and reinstall cap in the adapter assembly. Okay, thank you my friends. See you.